Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to use Loft command in Autodesk Inventor. So firstly draw a sketch. We draw a circle here. Let's dimension millimeter. Finish sketch. Now take a plane. Offset from plane. And here we can give some dimension. Let's see 50 millimeter. And go to work plane first. Right click on it and new sketch. And draw a rectangle. Let's dimension it. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to take a one more plane and 60 millimeter. Go to plane 3 and new sketch and draw again a rectangle. Sorry, 2-point rectangle here. Okay, and give some dimension 25 and this also 5. Okay, now finish sketch. So we have 3 profile there. Simply go to Loft and in section feature click to add. Select a sketch. First select our first sketch, click to add again, and sketch 2, click to add again, and sketch 3, and OK. So this is our Loft command in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, so hope you like it. Then please share and subscribe my channel.